Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to make Chrome more secure when you are browsing. So let's see. Actually, the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, and then go to settings right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy and security. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to security, safe browsing protection from dangerous sites and other security settings. Click on that and it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure this is enabled, and then simply scroll down and then you have to navigate to secure connection. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this. So having turned on this button, one U for insecure public site, one U for insecure public and private site. Make sure you switch to this. And with that, your browsing are very safe. Whatever site you enter, you are protected by Google Chrome. That's simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you